And today for our business breakthrough segment, I want to talk about golden rule marketing. Now, what's golden rule marketing? Sounds kind of biblical. Well, basically it is kind of biblical. It means give before you get. A lot of people ask me, Dave, how has Fast Track and Darren Weeks and the Fast Track group of companies, how have they grown so fast, so quickly? And simply put, it's because they follow golden rule marketing. They give first. So when Darren goes out and does a free How to Get Rich in Canada event, he offers that for free. It definitely isn't free for us. It costs a lot of money to put those events on, a lot of money to do the marketing, to get people to come out to them, to give them good, solid, free information. So that's him giving first. Then people come out, they see what he has to offer, he invites them out to other free events, and that's where they present the different products and services that the Fast Track group offers. So he gives first and gets back later. Now, how can you apply that in your own business? Well, it's very, very simple. It means that instead of trying to do a quick fix marketing type campaign where you're trying to sell something right off the bat, it's to switch your mindset to where you're doing what's called lead generation advertising first. What's that? That means you're trying to get your ideal prospective customer to put up their hand and say, yes, I'm interested in your product or service. So you can do that by offering free education, like free special reports, free CDs, free DVDs, some sort of a free video on your website. Free information is a fantastic way to do it because it's very, very inexpensive and it has high perceived value as well. It also starts the relationship. It puts you in that person's mind as an expert and makes them feel much more comfortable about working with you and your company. So that's your Business Breakthrough Minute.